My name's Kyle Moore. As you can see, or maybe tell, I am Bill's youngest son. We have a few similarities, so we look a little bit alike. I am a production supervisor for first shift, one of two here at PacMoore down in Mooresville. And I started here in April of 2017. As it relates to quality, our operators are, they're the front line. They're really, they're our most critical quality checkpoint. The people who are touching it directly, if they're not quality, if they aren't responsible for quality, if we haven't empowered them to be responsible for quality, we've really missed the mark. And so for those people, this comes back to, do they have the tools that they need to do that? Then if we're asking them to keep focused on quality and to manage that for us, then we got to equip them. And so we start that with, we've got our SOPs, our standard operating procedures. And so if they're following our SOPs, the quality should be right. Should be. Well, it will be if they're following the SOPs, but do they know them the way that they should? And so that comes back to us as a leadership team. So have we trained them properly is the first thing. If we've trained them properly, do they have the tools, both literally and figuratively? So do they have the things that they need to do their job the way we've asked them to do it? And so that's really how we manage quality at the beginning. So from square one, it's our people, and we rely on them to care about what's going into it. This is food. It ends up on our table, it ends up on their table, and so we have to task them with this responsibility to help them understand the magnitude of it, and that they're so wearing their proper equipment, making sure that there's not hair, there's not other stuff getting into the food, and that they're following the procedures. That's how we start managing our quality, and then as a quality team, we can constantly develop more tools and develop other things that then we can help the team use to manage our quality and make sure that what we produce is really not just good, but the best, and exceeds the standards that we've been given by the government, and also that we place on ourselves.